In this video, I'm going to be going over how to format your Excel file in a way that the TubeWriter software recognizes and can read. So, looking at my computer right here, you'll see I've got all of my data entered into Excel. Column A is always going to refer to what tube on the rack you're going to be printing. So column A will always be numbers. Obviously in cell A1, I've got the number 1. That means whatever data is adjacent to that is going to be printed on the first tube on that rack, and so on. Column B is going to be the first line of text, C the second line of text, all the way out to F the fifth line of text. You do not have to load your data into Excel in a chronological order like I've done so. You can jump around. If I wanted to print tube 1 and then tube 15 and then tube 3 and then maybe tube 50, I can totally do that. If in column A the software comes across an empty cell like you see here in cell A5, that is going to let the software know that you don't want to print anymore. So if I hit this load text button right now, you'll see that it's only pulled tube 1, 15, 3, and 50. If I were to go back in and fill that back in chronologically, you'll see after I hit load text, it's going to take all of that and put it inside of my image preview, and you see I have all of my data from all the tubes I want to print. One thing you'll notice is if you have your cursor blinking in Excel like you see here on my screen and you hit the load text button, you'll get a pop-up saying that the TubeWriter can't read while you're in edit form in Excel. Go ahead and hit OK and then go back to Excel and click into another cell, making sure your cursor's not blinking. Go back to the software and hit load text, and you won't get that pop-up anymore, and it'll pull up all that data in that image preview. And that's how you format your Excel spreadsheet with the TubeWriter 400 software. If you need any assistance with this or further help, feel free to reach out to us and we'd be happy to assist.